In this video, we are going to talk about 5 ways to make money with real estate. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Whether you're serious about investing or simply exploring different ways to make money, learning how to make money in real estate is an important skill that can come in handy at any point in your life. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, individual real estate investors account for 74.4% of rental properties in the United States. Real estate is one of the most common types of investments people make in their lifetime, as home prices generally tend to increase over time. In fact, Zillow reports home values in the United States have increased 19.2% since 2020 and predicts they will rise 13.6% in the next year. With that being said, there are many different ways you can go about taking advantage of the real estate market. Here's a list of 5 ways to make money with real estate. Let's start. Number 5. Renovation flipping. If you have even a remote interest in real estate, you've probably seen 1 or 2 HGTV shows on television that focus on flipping homes. Thanks to the popularity of home renovation shows, the fix and flip culture has exploded into a massive boom in the traditional renovation flip market. While there can certainly be a lot of money to be made here, navigating these waters, in the beginning, can be tricky. When you lack the knowledge or the experience, you could find yourself on the losing end if you don't select the right home. You should also be doing backward math to understand your after repair value, being sure to leave wiggle room for any unexpected setbacks in your renovation. When renovating, be sure to add features that are sure to increase the value of your home for a surefire way to make money in real estate. Number 4. Airbnb and vacation rentals. For those who want to invest in a property but still retain flexible access to their home, rentals can present a lucrative path to profits and one of the fastest ways to make money in real estate. Not only can you make some side hustle income from vacation rentals, but you could potentially make a significant amount of money and build up a substantial passive income stream if you're in a highly trafficked tourist locale. Places like San Diego and other tourist hotbeds are well known for having a high demand for these short-term rentals. There are plenty of platforms you can use to promote your short-term rental property. List your home on websites like Airbnb and VRBO. Be sure to take good photos and go above and beyond in making your guests' experience a memorable and comfortable one. You can also hire a vacation rental company to help you manage your property and bring business. Number 3. Long-term rentals. More traditionally, long-term rentals are a common form of investment for homeowners. A long-term rental is typically 6 months or more, most commonly 1 year, and typically requires less upkeep on your day-to-day. Low inventory, excessive student loan debt, and the ever-growing millennial cohort create strong indicators for a strong and growing U.S. rental market. Your tenant signs a lease and is committed to paying monthly throughout the duration of the contract. This means you receive a stable flow of income for a set period of time, without having to worry much about the house unless it requires major repairs that the tenant is not responsible for per the terms of the contract. Number 2. Contract flipping. One way that you can make money from real estate without having to put up very much capital or credit is to flip contracts. All you have to do is find a distressed seller and a motivated buyer, then bring them together. While locating a distressed seller might seem difficult, Clothier has systemized the entire process for doing this. The trick with contract flipping is to identify the distressed seller and locate a ready-to-go buyer. To do this, you have to be able to identify either vacant homes or homes that are behind on their mortgages. That's the tricky part. You're effectively trying to find distressed sellers, but homes that are already vacant are primed for an opportunity like this. Number 1. Lease to buy. A rent-to-own agreement is exactly what it sounds like, in which you rent a home for a certain amount of time, with the option to buy it before the lease expires. Rent-to-own agreements consist of 2 parts, a standard lease agreement and an option to buy. The option to buy in a rent-to-own agreement means the buyer pays the seller a one-time, usually non-refundable upfront fee called the option fee, option money, or option consideration. This fee is what gives you the option to buy the house by some date in the future. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching. and see you next time.